Hi, Elaine Coyne here. Today we're going to do the white patina in florals, leaves, and we're going to throw in Moroccan group just for good luck with this lacy look. See you in a sec. This is our new white patina. It's taken us years to develop this, and it has a kind of a whitewashed look to it. The first piece that we're doing has a reminiscence of a 60s, 70s piece with the pearls from the Jacqueline Kennedy era. It's done with a traditional double link chain, and that would be your pink pearl coordinated earring. A philodendron is with the double pink pearl, and once these are actually on the ear, they do stay put. It's just on the card they're a little bit of a problem. These run $29, but they're doing super well. We've enhanced that look by going with this coppery bronze look, and you'll note here on the necklace we have the copper pearls, and on the earring we have the coppery bronze pearl as well. Earrings $29, necklaces come on traditional double link chain at about $50, $52.50. And these are one of my favorites in the new white patina motif driven pieces. Now, because green is so important going forward, we have a small green daisy earring or zinnia earring. It's hard to tell which is which because they're very close in the motif. And it's done with green jade, nephrite jade, and this is a nice small necklace, about 5/8 of an inch round, on your double sage and olive rawhide. So it has, a nice balanced look. And here we have our Mayflower, which is just I think it's called May apple flower actually. And this is a lovely jade look done with a large piece coordinated earring with museum latch. Earring is wonderfully priced at $26. You have the same rawhide, 16 to 18, that's sage and olive tone. Moving on to another flower that we're doing. This is also done with jade. This is going to be 24 on the earring, and this one's a post as opposed to the others are all museum latch and coordinated necklace as well. And this is going to be an in-between size, and the price point is special show price. We usually try to keep the show prices going forward for a couple of, usually 2-3 months at $38.50. It'll probably be going up to, a little bit higher than that. Now we've done that wonderful look as a single piece. We've also done it in the 5-piece necklace running $70. And here we're showing it with cornelian, with argonite for your yellows. Yellow is very important for this spring. Also on a post earring at $24, and this wonderful 5-piece necklace. Now this can either be ordered with the cornelian and argonaut, 2 tones of argonaut like you see here, or you could add our rhodochrosite, which I'll be showing with the dogwood motif. So you'll see it on our website available 2 ways. So that would be argonaut, cornelian, and aragonite. Now moving on to the dogwood, here's the wonderful dogwood necklace done in this whitewash look. Now each whitewash is going to come out differently. We're doing an actual patina. This probably runs about 66, 67, so slightly more than the one in the verdigris patina. Here's the 5-piece necklace done with, again, your cornelian, this wonderful pink rhodochrosite, and then the yellow aragonite. This is the aragonite earring, great earring for yellow, very springy, has that summer wonderful light feel. And then here's the rhodochrosite, and you can see it's a pink, but it's a pink with a slight shade of orange tone to it. So it's a little bit warmer than just a bright pink, which we sometimes show in Swarovski crystal. Here it is with more of a punch of color with your cornelian, if you prefer that. And then this is the single piece. Now this is going to be done on your natural rawhide. And this is probably going to be more like 47. And again, you've got your triple stones. And to finish the look off, we've brought in 1 Swarovski crystal in the white patina, and this is which would be more of a Moroccan motif, still extraordinarily feminine, but you might notice done with the Aurora crystal, and this is a crystal that's difficult to get. I think we still have this crystal from a few years ago that actually probably 10 years ago that we bought. I don't think it's available any longer because I've looked into it and I haven't seen it, but maybe I haven't hunted enough. The earring, the long earring is going to run $30. The short earring is $25, and the necklace is wholesale at $62.50, which is basically a bargain price. And again, done in the white patina, just beautiful on that lovely chiffon, and the lace looks. This is just, you can even wear this to a wedding. It's just really lovely. And all in all, that is the new white patina. We'll be expanding this line. Right now, this is it for 2011 spring summer. Thanks for watching our video. If you missed us in New York, if you missed us in Atlanta, make sure to see our website at www.ecg.com. Realize that we get orders in every single day. To make sure that you get your merchandise in a timely fashion, important to order as soon as possible. Thanks again.